Yeah, okay. Get the next one.
Hi guys. Today we're harvesting corn and I have a confession to make. I have never harvested corn before. This is the first year corn is actually worth harvesting. So I asked hubby for some assistance and this is
Just
how
break it
it went.
down, all the way down. Just pull it down. There you go. Pull it down. There you go. And twist it. After you pull it down and twist it. There you go.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cool.
Alright, alright. Ain't gonna slip it in there.
I know I want to see. Well, there's corn in there.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Like this one?
Bend it all the way down. You break it until you pop. There you go.
That's crazy.
It's tall, isn't it?
It is.
Biggest carnivore you ever eat, man. Put it against the arm.
Wow. That's like my whole arm, like armpit to wrist.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. You see that? And the worms didn't ruin it. Remember we were fighting with the worms when we first planted them? Crazy. This one's like diagonal.
That one got worm.
Oh, I spoke too soon. Look at
That's what happened when worm goes on your corn. You just gotta cut it off and get the good ones.
that. Ate around it.
You know, you're not gonna cook the worm, you're gonna have to cut out the worm.
No, well, yeah, like cut.
Hold up the good one. Huh? Here's a wholesome one.
It's so pretty.
So, thumbs up.
All right, so here I just wanted to share some quick herbal knowledge. This part off the corn is called the corn silk, and it has quite a few like really beneficial properties to it. It helps with urinary issues. So if you have kidney stones, UTIs, it's good for children with bedwetting. It helps with prostate inflammation, and it's also a really good source of potassium and vitamin K. So you would just take the corn silk, dry it, and then once it's dried, you take and pour boiling water over it and make a cup of tea. All right, so I thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.